Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an autoresponder to your cPanel email, in other words out of office. So what you need to do is go to webmail and you add your domain. So for this demo purposes it's for file code. So whoever your domain is, you just add it there. You go to the webmail screen, and what you do is you put in your email address for the account you want to add the autoresponder, put in your password, then log in. You're going to log into the webmail screen. Don't go into Roundcube to read your mails. What you need to do here, go to Autoresponders. You can also set up forwarders here as well. You can also reset your password if you really want to. So in other words, all you need to do is click on Autoresponders. So add the autoresponder and then set your rules. In other words, set your interval. Let's say it sends a autoresponder for every hour. In other words, if somebody emails you, let's say now and then again within 15 minutes, it won't send them autoresponder again. It will wait an hour, and let's say they mail you again, then it will send one. So this just a good thing maybe to set it up by hour. Then you will say from, so you're just going to type in your name, from who it is. You will type in your subject, and that will be maybe out of office or whatever you want to put your subject as, and you type here your body, your message of your out of office or your autoresponder, and then here you just set your custom, so you can start immediately, and we can see it needs to say it must run until, let's say, at the end of February, and you can also set the time. And what will happen now, if I fill in everything here and I say create, the autoresponder will be active. Then when you want to remove it, same thing, go to webmail, login, go to autoresponders, and just delete your autoresponder here.